Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Dr. Tawi and fellow friends. We are from Group 4 Session 2 want to present our group project, which is the title is Environmental Management System EMS with the challenges and solutions. This is our group members. The first one is me, Nurul Azimah binti Nagis. The second one is Aiman Safwan, Muhammad Shahrizal, Cho Min Wei, Muhammad Faris bin Roslan and Nur Farah Azikin. In this part, I will present our introduction for group project. An environmental management system is a structure framework that aims at improving environmental performance within organization through a cycle of planning, implementation, monitoring and adjustment known as the PDCA cycle. This encompasses various elements such as legal compliance, resource allocation, operational guidelines, and monitoring mechanism to support the development, implementation, and maintenance of an organization environmental policy across different operational contexts. The increasing adoption of EMS by organizations reflects a growing emphasis on formalizing practices through voluntary or mandatory audits and certification. This system integrates environmental protection into daily operation across strategy, planning, product development, and service delivery. Also, aligning with global standards and regulatory frameworks aims at promoting sustainability and accountability.
Now I want to present about challenges of environmental management system. The first challenge is human resource challenge. A lack of staff with environmental knowledge and awareness can make the implementation of an environmental management system (EMS) more difficult. Insufficient staffing can also make it difficult to implement EMS. The second challenge is high implementation costs. Implementing an environmental management system requires financial resources to afford skilled personnel, machinery, equipment, and advanced material. Contractors do not want to undertake expensive environmental measures and they try to reduce expense to maximize profits. The price of purchasing or renting specialized tools and equipment is more expensive than general tools and equipment.
Okay, next for the challenge of environmental management system, the next point is ensuring comprehensive compliance with diverse and complex regulation. So from this, the team must responsible for monitoring regulatory change across multiple jurisdiction. Task the team with interpreting regulation and determine their relevance to the organization operation. Next, to invest in software to automate tracking and reporting process, minimizing human error. And the last one, to conduct regular internal audit and third-party review to ensure ongoing compliance and identify improvement areas. For the next challenge is fostering organization culture and engagement around environmental initiative. So from this, visible leadership commitment must visibly commit to environmental goals and set an example. For the regular combination, highlight success on ongoing challenge in environmental management through regular combination. For comprehensive training program, employers at all levels understand EMS process and their role within. And the last one, interactive and practical training. We must use interactive session to demonstrate the district impact of employee action. Okay, for the last challenge is effectively measuring and analyzing environmental performance. So from the data ability and reliability, ensure access to reliable data necessary for assessing the impact of environmental initiative. For the relevant KPI and monitoring system, we must to set up appropriate key performance indicator, basically KPI, and monitoring the system, which can be complex and resource intensive. For the advanced technology and skill personnel, we must to invest in advanced technology and skill personnel for data collection and for the analysis. And the last one is to relate on accurate data to make informed decision, including the EMS, effective and achievement of environmental goals.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faris Basran. Now we go to the strategy environmental sustainability. The first one is addressing cost and resource constraint in the environmental management systems. Before we start with a small system and scale it as the organization grows. And then ensure the AMS remains relevant to organization capability and financial resources. And the last one is minimize the risk of overspending by making incremental investment based on assurance and available resources. The second point is improving data management and reporting in environmental management system (EMS). We invest in software and streamline data collection and analysis, then automate data collection from various sources to reduce manual efforts and minimize error. And last one is use advanced analytics for deeper insight into environmental performance to inform decision making. That's all. Thank you.
The next strategies for environmental sustainability is monitoring and measurement in environmental management system. This is essential for tracking progress, ensuring effective policy implementation, and improving sustainability. This is also can help meet regulatory requirements, reduce legal risk, and build trust with regulatory bodies and the public. The next strategies is recycling practices. Recycling practices can reduce the waste of natural resources by reusing materials, thus decreasing energy and water consumption and minimizing pollution. Recycling practices also can promote an economic model where used materials are repurposed, driving innovation and development in the recycling industry. And the last strategies for environmental sustainability is environmental awareness and education. Awareness campaigns, educational activities, and school programs can increase community understanding of environmental impacts. Curriculum and activities related to the environment help shape students' perceptions and behaviors towards environmental sustainability.
Conclusion: implementing an environmental management system (EMS) involves addressing regulatory complexity, resource constraint, stakeholder engagement, supply chain sustainability, and data management. Okay, by using innovative solution, technology, and effective collaboration, organization can overcome this challenge, enhance environmental performance, and contribute positively to society and the environment. Okay, that's all. Thank you.